Some people vind talking a bag of garbage out of tetras. A unminute task. For me, it's an almost impossible task. In part of a population of people with disabilities. In the state of Israel. Wo deel every die with a physical and mental condition. Dat maak simple tasks difficult, getting organiseerd. And sometimes even doing the most basic things at home. One of the tasks have a particular difficulty with. Is talking out the trace from my apartment. If a treat contacting for jou's agencies. Government offices, organisations and non-profits. Bitten praktische event myself being sent repeatedly. From one agency to another without a real solution. Intimiantime live goes on and the difficulty remains. I live solely on a disability pension. So I don't have the option. Of buying a private company. To help me with such basic things. This video is not intended to complain. But to set light on a reality. A reality in which people with disabilities. Deel alone with the daily difficulties that others hardly notice. Maybe the solution lies in the community. Maybe in a small volunteer project. Perhaps with a greater awareness. If anyone knows of a solution. An initiatieve or even a goed nijgeboor. Wie is willing to help, I wil love 2 jaar.